guys, and welcome back to the Science Jam, where I, your host Jamiyah, make technical topics easy and fun to learn. So today we're going to be doing an experiment, and for that experiment I have brought along my really special friend Anne. I think she's actually at the door. Let's go get her. Hey! Anne's here. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Anne. Anne's here.
Hi, my name is Anna and I am a mechanical engineer just like Jamiyah. I'm so excited to be here. We're going to be doing a friction experiment and yeah, stay tuned.
Go.
Welcome to the Science Jam, where I, your host Jamiyah, make technical topics easy and fun to learn. Alright, so for today's experiment, we're going to be talking about friction. And friction has to do with why do things stop. So, Anne's going to demonstrate rolling a ball, and the friction force is going to stop that ball. So we're just filling up the pool right now, and we're going to get an experiment going here in just a little bit. So, friction is a stopping force, so we're going to have a really fun game of tug-of-war to see who wins.
I'm winning.
I think I'm going to win, so choose your fighter. Friction is the force that opposes motion. So that's what caused the ball to stop rolling. And in order to demonstrate this in the best way we know how, we're going to have a nice game of tug-of-war. So, of course, the friction is going to be happening in our feet. And whoever is able to make the most friction in their feet clearly is going to win and not fall into this pool of water.
Let's see who's stronger.
Oh my God.
Got better this time.
We gotta redo that.
That was too quick.
Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching. As you can see, Anne won this round, and I am now covered in water. She was able to make the greater friction force with her feet in the ground than I was. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Please make sure to follow Anne on Instagram. I'm going to put her @ right up here. And I will see you when I see you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Thank you all so much for watching.